Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 2 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the Wi-Fi connection because it is required for checking and then updating the system. And then let's enter the settings. Here in this left section, we have to tap on About Tablet, which is at the very top of the list, and then tap on this Xiaomi HyperOS. Simply tap on it, and now your device will check for the updates. And basically, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. We had the information that no updates are available, and here we've got the information about this system security patch, etc. The second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.